Good morning students, myself Swati Kumari and today I'll take the maths class for class A students. Students, before beginning with the class, let me ask you a few questions. My first question is, what do you mean by an open curve and a closed curve? My second question is, what do you get when you join 2 points and what do you get when you join 2 line segments? Now students, you all can identify these 4 shapes that you can see. They are kite, triangle, square and star. Now students, as these all geometrical shapes have their own specific names, you all also have your own unique names. Each one's name is different than the other, but you all together belong to a group of students, and you all as a student are the member of your school. Similarly students, these shapes, though they have their unique names, they all together belong to a group or family. So students, today we are going to study about this group of geometrical shapes. So students, today we are going to study about simple closed curves called polygons. Now students, let me tell you the definition of polygons. A simple closed curve which is made up of only line segment is called polygons. Now students, there are different kinds of polygons based on the number of sides it has. With the help of a model, I will demonstrate that to you. Students, here you can see a model and you can see many shapes in this model. Students, these all shapes are polygons. They all are different types of polygons based on the number of sides they have. For example, you can see first shape is triangle. It has 3 sides, therefore it is a polygon having 3 sides. Then you can see a quadrilateral. It has 4 sides. It is made up of 4 line segments, that is AB, BC, CD and DA. Then you can see pentagon made up of 5 sides, hexagon made up of 6 sides, heptagon of 7 sides, octagon made up of 8 line segments, nonagon made up of 9 line segments and decagon made up of 10 line segments. Students, there are many other shapes also. As the number of sides increase, their names also change and then the polygons also have their name as the number of sides it contains. Now students, will study about the types of polygons. Students, basically there are 4 types of polygons: regular polygon, irregular polygon, concave polygon and convex polygon. Students, first we'll study about regular polygon and irregular polygon with the help of a chart paper. Students, this chart paper will help you to understand regular polygons and irregular polygons. Students, figure 1 and figure 2 are regular polygons, whereas figure 3 and figure 4 are irregular polygons. Why so? Students, regular polygons are the polygons which have all sides and angles equal. Therefore, figure 1, which is an equilateral triangle, and figure 2, which is a square, are regular polygons. Whereas figure 3 and 4, that is kite and star respectively, are irregular polygons because they don't have all the sides and angles equal. Students, figure 5 is a polygon or not? It is not a polygon. Why? Because it contains a curved part. You can see this part, it contains a curved part. Therefore, it is not a polygon. Figure 6 is also not a polygon. Students, it is a circle, and a circle is not made up of line segments. Therefore, it is not a polygon. So students, we saw that triangle and square are the regular polygons, whereas kite and star are irregular polygons. Now students, you came to know about regular and irregular polygons. Now we'll do with the concave and convex polygons. Let us do the definition of concave and convex polygons. Concave polygons, a polygon in which at least one angle is more than 180 degree. So at least one angle should be more than 180 degree. Let us take an example. This polygon over here. Students, this polygon has one angle, that is angle C, which is 180 degree. Therefore, this is a concave polygon. Now students, convex polygon. A polygon in which each angle, remember each angle is less than 1 degree. It means that each angle of convex polygon should be less than 180 degree. For example, this polygon, it is an equilateral triangle. Each angle is 60 degree. So each angle is less than 180 degree. Therefore, it is a convex polygon. This also, you all know, it is any shape of a polygon. So students, this has all the angles less than 180 degree. Therefore, it is a convex polygon. Now students, let us study some formulas related to polygons. Students, first formula is, for a regular polygon which contains n sides, we have each exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by the number of sides. Each interior angle is equal to 180 degree minus each exterior angle. Students, in a convex polygon of n sides, we have sum of all exterior angles equal to 4 right angles. That means sum of all exterior angles is 360 degree. And students, sum of all interior angles is equal to 2n minus 4 right angles. Now students, number of diagonals in a polygon of n sides is equal to n into n minus 3 divided by 2. So students, these were the formulas for the chapter polygons. I hope students, you all remember these formulas, because these formulas are going to be very useful when we solve numericals based on it. So students, now we'll solve the numericals based on the chapter polygons. Now students, let us solve a numerical. Question is, find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular hexagon, each interior angle of a regular hexagon. Students, you know that in a regular hexagon, we have how many sides? We have n equal to 6. Okay students? Now, we have to find first each exterior angle. Therefore, each exterior angle, का फॉर्मूला क्या था? Each exterior angle का फॉर्मूला था 360 by n degrees. So we have n equal to 6. We'll put it. We get 360 by 6 degrees. That is, we get 60 degree. So each exterior angle is 60 degree. Now we have to find each interior angle. We know the formula for each interior angle. So we will solve by that formula. Each interior angle is 180 degree minus each exterior angle. So we have 180 degree minus each exterior angle is 60 degree. So 180 degree minus 60 degree, that will give us 120 degrees. So the answer is 120 degrees. Now students, let us do another sum. In this question students, we have to find the measure of angle C. Students, you all know this is a polygon. Now students, it is an irregular polygon. Students, we have angle A, B, C and D. We have to find angle C. You all know students that sum of all interior angle of a polygon क्या होता है? 2n minus 4 into right angles, that is 90 degree. Okay students, sum of all interior angles क्या करेंगे? सारे angles को add कर देंगे. Add करने पे आएगा हमारा angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D will give us 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. Angle A is 110 degree, B is 120 degree, C is, let us suppose X, plus D is 60 degree equal to 8. Now students, here we have n equal to 4 because n is what? The number of sides of the polygon. So number of sides is 4, therefore n is equal to 4. We'll put n equal to 4 in this formula. So we have 2 into 4 minus 4 into 90 degree. Students will add these. Adding these we get 290 290 degrees plus x is equal to 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 4 will give you 4. 4 into 90 is 360. So we have x equal to 360 degree minus 290 degree. कितना होता है 70 degree. So we have x equal to 70 degree. Therefore students, the measure of angle C is 70 degrees. So students, today likewise we come to the end of this class on polygons. Students, today we studied about what are polygons. Then we studied about the different types of polygons, that is regular polygon, irregular polygon, concave and convex polygon. Then we also studied about the different kinds of polygon based on the number of sides it has. Then we did few numericals on this topic, polygons. So students, I hope it is clear to you. Thank you students.